Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing a minimal environment and then coding immediately. Open your editor and scaffold index. HTML and styles. CSS. Make sure the meta viewport is present. Start with mobile-first CSS. Set body font size, flexible container widths, and base spacing variables. Create a header and a content container using max width and padding. Once done, run a live server to check changes. This approach saves time and gives a working baseline you can iterate on quickly. You'll now convert static blocks into flexible layouts. Use Flexbox for single-axis components and Grid for complex two-dimensional layouts. Define grid template areas for clarity. Apply breakpoints with logical min-width values and adjust columns, gaps, and font sizes at each point. Prefer fluid units, %, rem, VW, and use clamp to keep sizes sensible across screens. Make images responsive with max width, 100% and object fit. Cover. As you code, test resizing and tweak breakpoints to preserve hierarchy and readability. You'll finalize by optimizing performance and accessibility so the site feels complete. Compress and use responsive image SRC set, lazy load non-critical media, and preload key CSS. Verify touch target sizes and keyboard focus. Ensure contrast and readable font scales. Test across devices and emulate slow networks in DevTools, then fix layout shifting or overflow issues. If layout breaks, inspect computed styles and temporarily outline elements to find overflowing containers. One key tip: clear inherited margins and use box sizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.